Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. And today we are going to do some more Christmas crafts. I think this is the last video for Christmas. So I'm going to try to fit in everything I possibly can. I also think I'm going to do a second video because I purchased a Christmas tree, a pencil tree from Temu that's going to go in my bedroom. So I think that's going to be a separate video. I'm hoping I can separate this out. But go ahead, give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. And when you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look.
All right, we're going to start off by updating this Dollar Tree stocking. I'm going to put our initials on it, and then we're going to cover the top in this white little chamois from Dollar Tree. And then this happens to be the stockings that have the little cartoons at the top. I think one was Marvel, or all the others that I got were Marvel. And I don't know what this one is, Bluey, or I don't know what this, I'm not a cartoon person, so I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little car chamois deal, and I'm going to figure out the height to cut at to cover the top that's on there. Now the width or the height or whatever of the cover of the cartoons is good, so we're keeping that. We're just making the white fuzzy part a little bit longer than what's already on the stocking so that we have something to glue to, basically. And I happen to be making 4 stockings, so that's why I'm folding this up. And once I've got the first one cut, I'm putting the rolled sewn edge at the bottom there, which will only work on 2. If you're doing more than 2, the other 2 won't have that, which I used the rolled edge for myself and for my boyfriend, and then the pets got the unrolled edge. And we're just going to hot glue this. Like, this is not a hard craft. We're going to hot glue the bottom first, the bottom of the stocking top. Does that make sense? We're going to do that first, and then I'm going to do the sides. I want it very flat and very even. I don't want big balls of glue hanging out. So I'm pressing down pretty well to make it flat. So once I've done the sides, then I'm going to go ahead and go up toward the top. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to glue it on the inside of the top. And then fold that chamois over the edge of that stocking to glue it on the inside of the stocking top. Then I'm just going to fold over the edges, and this is the back of the stocking, so if you want to make it perfect, you certainly can. That was not in my best interest, so I'm not doing that. But I'm folding it over and gluing it down, and then just doing the same for the remainder there. Just folding it into the stocking. So it's a nice finished edge at the top. And then we're just going to do the same, repeat the same on the other side. You'll see that mine is not perfectly even. I'm okay with that. And I'm just going to glue over any of those loose edges that we've got there. And there is a little stocking hanger there, so you want to make sure you don't glue that down. And in fact, we're going to hang the wood letter from Hobby Lobby. We're going to hang that letter over the holder. And that's it. Quick and easy. And quite cute, actually. I liked the design on these stockings. That's why I chose these. And I don't have an initial for my boyfriend yet. He wasn't in the plan last year, so I don't have him yet. But I'm getting that. And then we're going to make a garland for the fireplace. And we're going to use a bunch of these bows, some of that black bead from Hobby Lobby, and then these cute little bells from Dollar Tree. We're going to paint the little bells Merlot, and then I'm going to mix it with bright red. And we're going to paint the little bells, front, back, sides, everything. The Merlot was a little bit too pink for me for Christmas and my colors that I'm using for Christmas. So that's why I mixed in this really bright red. And I even ended up, once they dried, you saw me trying to match to the ribbons to make sure they all kind of went together. Anyway, so once they dried, I actually went over with one layer of just the bright red, which helped. And then if you don't use a silicone mat, you should, because look at all this paint. All you do is wipe it up with a wet wipe and you're clean as can be. And then we're going to go ahead and get everything ready so that we can connect all the pieces together. So I'm going to use 2 packages of the small bows and then I think I used 3 packages of the large bows. And all we're going to do is find the middle. So that's my middle right there. I'm going to put a bow there. And I ended up moving that bow and I ended up putting a bell, one of those little wooden bells there. But all we're going to do, these bows have that twist tie on the back. So all we're going to do is we're going to literally just twist tie the bow around the beads. That's it. It's so super simple. And obviously you want them, you know, evenly spaced in all the things. So, you know, do that. You want to measure it out a bit. And then once you've got all your bows on, then I'm going to add the bells. Now the bells, I just put 1 bell in between the ribbons or the bows. But then I did end up going back and putting the smaller bows in between each bell and big bow. So it's like a big bow, bell, small bow, big bow, small bow, bell. You'll see. You'll see what I'm done. This was just some floral wire I'm wrapping through the hole at the top of the bell and then around the bead garland. And these garlands go on sale at Hobby Lobby all the time, 50% off. I think it was $5. I think they're normally $9.99, I think. So I think I probably got it for $5. And just add on as many pieces as you want. I wanted it full, but not like craziness. So I just left a few inches in between each thing that I put on the garland. And my fireplace is dark. I wish my fireplace were brighter or lighter so that you could see how beautiful this is. Because I really do like it. It actually is really good. And I am going to end up decorating and, you know, making it all look good. I'm sorry there's no light here. It was dark. I have no lights in the living room. It's horrible. But anyway, besides all that, I love it. And when I decorate, you'll probably be able to see it a little better. And that's it. I thank you so much for stopping by today. I sure hope you can give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and then be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so that you know when the next video comes out. I am going to put out a second video of the Christmas tree that I put in my bedroom. I'm going to show that probably on Thanksgiving or the day after. So make sure that you appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.